Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. I really hope you're all doing well and you're all having a good day. If you're new here, my name's Amanda. I post weekly videos on lifestyle, DIY, motherhood and a little bit of everything really. So if that's your kind of vibe, do hit the subscribe button somewhere down there. It's absolutely free to subscribe. I'd love to have you on board and love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So in today's video, I'm going to be making up 2 Mother's Day gift hampers using items solely from Poundland, bar one item which is a gift bag that I got from B&M. These hampers are very easy to put together. You know, all the items, like I said, are purchased from Poundland. You know, I mean, you can put whatever you like into these baskets, but of course I'm going to be showing you the Poundland one. So what I've done to make it quick and easy for myself, I've actually planned this out already, the basket, the gift basket. So I've got a couple of items here on my bed I'm just going to put in there and show you how I'm going to do it, okay? If you'd like to see me make up these gift hampers, please keep watching. Okay, so the items that I'm going to be using to make up these hampers with, you probably would have seen them on my previous hauls. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll put the links for those videos in the description box below, so you can go ahead and look at those after you've watched this video. I'm going to be doing 2 gift hampers, one using one of these baskets from Poundland and then the other using a gift bag. This gift bag is actually from B&M, but you can actually purchase a gift bag from Poundland or from anywhere else and make up these lovely gift hampers, okay? I'm going to start with the basket and I'm going to put the Dairy Box chocolates in. Then I'm going to go in with these bath salts, these bath crystals. These are actually from last year. These have rose petals in, absolutely gorgeous. That's going to go in there as well. Then I'm going to go in with the passion flower reed diffuser. That's just going to go on the side there like so. And then I'm going to put in this rose champagne bubble bath. This is actually from Valentine's Day. Poundland also had these last year, but I actually thought they were going to bring them back for Mother's Day as well. But that's also going to go in there, like so. Normally I will put some tissue paper in the base of the basket to bulk it all up. But to be fair, because it's got so many items in there, it doesn't really need to be bulked up, otherwise they won't fit in. So next I'm going to put in one of these hair masks. Also a hand mask which contains cocoa butter. So nice and moisturizing. And then I'm also going to put in the hand sanitizer. This is the antibacterial hand sanitizer which I picked up on my last Poundland haul. I'm also going to add this Land of Nod Calming Lavender Essential Oil. That's going to go in there as well. Okay, so that's that one nearly finished off. It looks absolutely amazing, jam-packed with loads of goodies. So I'm going to finish it off by putting some cellophane on there and also a big bowl. So I'm going to put this one down for now. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to do is all going to go inside this lovely gorgeous gift bag which I picked up in B&M. Okay, so Poundland also have some lovely gift bags as well, but because I got this one from B&M already, I thought I'd just use this one, you know. Yeah, so this bag's also going to be jam-packed with loads of goodies for Mother's Day. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting in the gin glass and the coaster. Okay, the gin glass and the coaster, that's going to go in there. This comes in at £3 in Poundland. Absolutely gorgeous. So just giving you an idea what you can actually put together, you know. So that's going to go in there. Also, I'm going to be putting in the passion flower candle. So this matches the reed diffuser. So because I've already put the reed diffuser in that one, that's enough kind of scented items. So this one is going to go into the gift bag. Also, I'm going to put in the pillow spray, the Land of Nods pillow spray. This is also in the scent Relaxing Calming Lavender. I'm also going to put in this hand pack. This is a coconut hand pack which is enriched with vitamin E. I'm also going to put in this phone holder. Just take it out of that original packaging. So this phone holder is so pretty. That's definitely going to go in there. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it into like a little organza bag. I got these from Poundland ages ago. Yes, I've just put it into this organza bag that gives it a bit more of a sort of gift kind of touch. Okay, next I'm going to put in this anti-aging collagen eye patches. I'm also going to put in this matte lip pencil and lip colour kit in there as well. Okay, so the last item I'm going to put into the gift bag is this jar, but I'm going to fill it with some homemade bath salts that I've made up. So I've kept the rose petals from my Valentine's flowers, dried them all out, I've actually blended them in my little blender down in the kitchen. It's come out really tiny little pieces, like almost like confetti, you know. So I'm going to mix that in with the bath salt, which I've actually got from Poundland as well. I've just got it in a bowl here. I'm going to pop it all in together like so. I've got like a spatula just to mix it all in with, and that already looks so gorgeous, you know. Sorry that I'm not doing this on the table, but you get the idea, you know. I've literally just broke up the petals in my blender. Okay, so now I'm just going to put in a couple of drops of essential oil. This is rose essential oil that's going to go in there as well, just to give it that lovely rose scent. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just putting like, I don't know, maybe 20 drops in there, like so. And my goodness, this smells so lovely. So lovely. Just mix it all together again like so. Really nice. You can see that. All those lovely rose petals. I'm also going to add a couple of drops of rose geranium oil, because the geranium just gives it that much more of a punch. And I've got to say, this smells absolutely divine, guys. You know, absolutely divine. So I'm mixing it all up like so, as you can see. Now I'm just going to pour it into this jar. I've decided to use a cup just to scoop it all out and pour it into the jar. That's probably going to make it a bit easier. Doesn't get everywhere as well. These cups are also from Poundland. Oh my goodness, this smells so nice, guys. So lovely. Yeah, and all this is, guys, the bath salt is actually pink Himalayan salt that you would actually find in Poundland in the food section. I've just added the rose petals to it, and it's now become a bath salt. So that's just absolutely amazing, you know. You can pay quite a lot of money for bath salts. You don't need to pay a lot of money for bath salts. You know, you can just make up your own. Put whatever scent of essential oils in there as well. Now, the only thing that I'm kind of like not so keen on is the red lid. So what I've done, I've actually swapped it out with this lid here. This came from a jar, decorative jar that I got from Poundland a few years back. So this fits on here absolutely perfectly. How gorgeous this looks, guys. You can still see the heart detail there on the jar, and all those lovely rose petals in the bath salt there. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to add some pink ribbon there, and we're more or less good to go. So this is how it's all turned out with the ribbon on there as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's going to go into the gift bag as well. Okay, so this is how the gift hamper has turned out. Rather than use a bow, I've just put one of these faux flowers on there, which I also got from Poundland, and this just looks absolutely gorgeous. The whole package itself, including the wrapper and the flower, comes to £10, which is absolutely amazing. You know, you've got the reed diffuser in there, some bath salts, you've got some bubble bath there, a hand pack, a hair pack, some chocolates, and also the Land of Nod essential oil in there. Absolutely amazing. So that's my first DIY, my first gift hamper. Absolutely stunning. And then of course you've got the gift bag here. The content of this gift bag comes to £12 with all those goodies in there, including the gin glass as well. So I've given you two options there for Mother's Day gift hampers. Absolutely gorgeous, and all done on a budget as well. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Please let me know which of the gift sets is your favourite. I think you're going to know which one's mine. Mine has to be the gift basket. Absolutely stunning. And also the bath salts, the DIY bath salts that I've done. Absolutely amazing, and they smell so gorgeous as well. Yeah, so all have a lovely weekend. I'm going to end the video there. Keep well, stay safe, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye.